Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I am going to show you how can you delete or uninstall application on your Mac in order to free up some space. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to uninstall or delete application from your Mac, all you have to do is just simply go to apps, which you can find in dock. If you don't find apps in dock, then you can simply go to finders and then select application over here. Now, suppose if I want to delete or uninstall this application, if I select this app and if I right click on my trackpad, what are the options I'm getting? You can see it over here. So either you can select move to bin or move to trash option over here, or else after selection of the app, you can go to file on the menu bar and over here you can select move to bin, or if you're able to see move to trash, you can select that. Now what it will do is, it will ask me to enter the admin account password. You have to enter it, tap on OK, and now within few seconds the app has been deleted from my Mac, but it is still present in bin or trash. If I open it, so you can see the app over here, and this is the old app which I have uninstalled or deleted. Now in order to delete the app completely from your Mac, all you have to do is, again in Finder, if you open Finder, just simply tap on Finder at the menu bar and this time select empty bin. Again select empty bin, and now you can see the app is completely deleted from my Mac. So this is one way of deleting app or uninstalling app from your Mac. Another way is you can directly search for app name over here. So I have searched for the app and this is the application. So again, after searching a particular app, you can select the app, you can press command plus delete in order to delete it, or else you can simply click and hold it and drag it to bin or trash like this and leave it. Then also it will delete the file or delete the app from your Mac, and after that don't forget to empty the trash. Now there is one more thing I want to tell you, and that is, if you want to delete the additional files which comes with that particular app, then after searching for the file, you can tap on this plus icon. In place of name, select system files, and over here select are included. So if there are any additional files, after this it will be displayed over here. Then you can select all the files and then you can delete it in one go, and after that again you can empty the trash bin. So this is how simple it is to delete or uninstall app from your Mac in order to free up some space. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.